If you're planning on building your own chicken tractor, I'm going to go through some tips and tricks to get the best out of your design. While most of my tractors are made out of PVC, most of these design ideas can be incorporated into any material you're building out of. I am all for improving my existing designs. If you have an idea that I haven't mentioned, feel free to list it in the comments. Okay, I'm going to list the designs that I've incorporated into my chicken tractors, and these are in no particular order. One of the best designs that you can incorporate into your chicken tractor will be a raised and fenced shelf for the feed bowls. The raised shelf will allow the feed bowls to move with the tractor when you move it to its new location. The fence around the feed bowls allows the chickens to stick their head in to get the feed, but not their butt. Having an access door on the outside allows you to easily top up the feed. Keeping the chickens out of the feed means less waste and better hygiene. We use 2-inch by 3-inch garden fence to enclose the feed area. If you have a rooster with a big comb, you'll need to clip some of the wire so that you have a bigger opening. We clip every other one. By incorporating this design, you'll never have to go to the back of the cage to retrieve feed bowls again. Your feed bowls will stay cleaner and you'll have less wasted feed. You can also build a roof over the feed area, protecting it from rain. We don't worry about a roof over the feed area on our tractors. For the most part, we feed whole grains, and if they do get rained on, we usually just dump them on the ground and let the chickens clean them up from there. They're eating some buckwheat right now. While this works great for adult chickens, small chicks can slip through the fence. We have been very happy with this design, and we've incorporated it in all of our chicken tractors. Even the small cultivator tractors have a fenced-in feed area. Now that we have feed covered, let's move on to water. Chicken nipple waterers are the best thing since chicken wire. I have not found a better or a cleaner way to get water to my chickens. There are many different ways to use the chicken nipple waterers. Our smallest tractors have a length of PVC pipe with an end cap that has been drilled to accept the chicken water nipple. Our large chicken tractors use a 4-gallon bucket that has a float valve and stays full automatically. Both of these systems keep a reserve of water clean and free from contamination. Chickens quickly learn where to get the water from. Simply using a bucket with the nipples on the bottom is far superior to most commercial watering methods. eBay is the best source I have found for these chicken nipple waterers. Now I'm going to talk about cheap, easy-to-use nest boxes. The side doors on the Ultimate Chicken Tractor make the back for the nest boxes. Opening the side door allows easy access to the nest boxes. The nest boxes are easy to clean by opening the back door and scraping everything out. I make my nest boxes out of buckets. Another good feature is a safety push bar. The safety bar pushes the chickens forward when you're moving the chicken tractor. This helps to prevent your tractor from running over your chickens. I use a length of 1/2-inch PVC. Unlike the main framework, the 1/2-inch PVC is flexible. If you feed your chickens a lot of grains or pelleted feed, a feed silo is something worth considering. These work with any free-flowing feed. By using a 45, a short piece of PVC that's been trimmed, and an end cap that has been trimmed, you can make your own feed silo. Just make sure that the end that dispenses the feed is under shelter. The feed will not flow freely if it gets wet, and you'll end up with a mess. If you build a large chicken tractor, wheels are a nice thing to have. Providing a high roost area inside your chicken tractor will keep your chickens happier, and if you free range, it will keep them returning to their chicken tractor better. Of an evening, chickens like to roost. Giving your chickens an area to roost should be a design consideration. You'll want to minimize any design where debris can collect inside the chicken tractor. Chicken tractors are great because by moving the tractor, you get a fresh carpet of grass. By not having a floor, manure is spread along the path of the chicken tractor. With a little forethought, this can be used to great advantage. If you use raised beds in your garden, you should build the width of your chicken tractor to match the raised beds. This allows you to put your chickens to work clearing your old raised beds when the season is done. 2 more quick tips before I end this video. Adding door supports to any opening increases the strength of your chicken tractor and prevents the door from swinging in. Adding a backbone going along the top keeps your hoops in place. Solar walkway lights and bug zappers can provide great protein for your poultry.